Motion. An introduction. What is motion? In the study of physics, we must be able to describe things as precisely and completely as possible. To this end, let us understand how we can describe motion. To define motion, let's first define rest. When an object's position with respect to a fixed reference point does not change over a given interval of time, we say that the object is at rest. In other words, the separation between the object of interest and the reference point remains unchanged over the entire time that we measure it. So, having defined rest, we can now define motion. When the position of the object, or more precisely, its separation from the reference point, which we must decide first, changes with time, the state of the object is said to be that of motion. For example, imagine that you are standing at a separation of 1 meter from a bus stop sign. Over a period of 4 hours, your separation from the sign remains unchanged. From the perspective of the stop sign, you are at rest. On the other hand, if we were to decide arbitrarily that the vacant seat on a bus that is coming towards you from a long way away is the new reference point, then it is fairly clear that with respect to that seat, your position is changing continuously. Thus, in this new context, you are now in motion. The key idea we must extract from this example is that rest and motion are states that are defined completely by our point of reference. And both these methods of thinking are correct and consistent with the workings of physics.